buzz in the creator community is undeniable, as DJI has finally put the rumors to rest and officially confirmed the launch date for its next-generation action camera. Mark your calendars for November 18th, because that's when a new device is set to drop. Adding even more fuel to this fire, the prolific tech leaker Igor Bogdanov just posted a revealing video on X, giving enthusiasts their first concrete, real-world glimpse of the upcoming camera. While DJI had already teased the Action SX's existence a few days prior, these new visuals and details make one thing abundantly clear. This is not just a minor, iterative refresh. What we are seeing is a confident and calculated evolution of the series, a device aimed squarely at the professional market and those discerning creators who constantly demand more power, more features, and more refinement from their portable gear. From everything that has been revealed so far, the Osmo Action 6 is introducing some truly significant upgrades under the hood. The leaked images and videos showcase a new design that manages to strike a very delicate but impressive balance, feeling both familiar to longtime users of the series, while simultaneously pushing forward with sleek, modern sophistication. The body itself appears to be slightly larger overall, yet paradoxically slimmer in its profile, suggesting a complete re-engineering of the internal components. It features a noticeably deeper lens housing, perhaps to accommodate new optics and sharper, more defined edges. These changes contribute to an aesthetic that feels less like a toy and more like a high-end piece of professional equipment. The frame also looks to be a touch taller, a subtle tweak that could dramatically improve handling and in-hand balance, especially during complex maneuvers or long shooting days. DJI seems to have been paying incredibly close attention to user feedback from the previous models. This is hinted at by small but thoughtful changes, such as new openings located near the record button. While unconfirmed, these could logically point to a much improved heat dissipation system, a critical factor when shooting at high resolutions, or they could be indicative of an enhanced, multi-array microphone setup for better audio performance. It's this attention to detail that suggests a maturation of the product line. Perhaps the most striking transformation, however, lies in the camera's new color and finish. DJI has made a conscious decision to ditch the signature red accents and sporty, high-contrast details that define its predecessors. In their place, the Action 6 sport a matte, stealthy, all-black design. This is a minimalist, professional look that signals a fundamental shift in the product's identity. It's moving away from being just another rugged adventure camera and repositioning itself as a serious creative tool, meticulously designed for filmmakers, demanding bloggers, and dedicated storytellers who prioritize performance and subtlety over flashy aesthetics. In essence, the DJI Osmo Action 6 feels like the most mature and creator-focused model in the entire series to date. It's a camera that isn't designed to break away from its roots, but rather to elevate them to a new standard. With widespread rumors of vastly improved stabilization, possibly a new generation of rocksteady, refined color signs for more accurate and pleasing footage straight out of camera, and even potential connectivity with smartwatches or Garmin devices for remote control and data overlays, the Action 6 stands ready to completely redefine what a compact action camera can truly achieve. It's bridging the gap between convenience and cinema quality capture in a way that few thought possible just a few years ago. The most notable enhancement, and the one that has imaging purists most excited, is its brand new 1/1.1 inch sensor point 1. This is a major leap in pure imaging capability for a camera this size, promising to deliver significantly sharper detail, vastly improved dynamic range to handle difficult, high-contrast lighting, and superior performance in low-light conditions. Paired with what is reported to be a variable aperture lens, the camera will offer a level of creative flexibility previously unheard of in the action camera space. This will allow users to easily adjust their depth of field and exposure on the fly, adapting to varying lighting environments without having to rely solely on ISO or shutter speed. Whether you find yourself shooting fast-paced outdoor adventures in the bright midday sun, or capturing cinematic vlogs in the dim evening light, the Action 6 seems built from the ground up to handle it all with unprecedented ease and quality. DJI's strategy here is crystal clear. It is not trying to completely reinvent its successful action series or alienate its existing user base. Instead, the focus is on refining and perfecting what already works, addressing user pain points, and pushing the technical specifications to new heights. This focus on pro-grade features comes with a price tag. Of course, the DJI Action 6 Standard Combo is reportedly priced at £379 in Europe and £329 in the UK, which translates to approximately $379 in the US. For those who need more accessories and battery life out of the box, the Adventure Combo will cost €479 in Europe, for £119 in the UK, and is expected to land around $479 in the US.2 as that November 18th launch date approaches, The anticipation for the DJI Osmo Action 6 continues to build to a crescendo with its bold new design philosophy, a much larger sensor and refined engineering throughout. It's clear DJI is aiming to set a new benchmark. Of course, this new launch brings up the million-dollar question for many consumers. Which camera should you choose? The DJI Action 5 Pro remains a reliable, high-performance workhorse. It's a trusted piece of gear, perfect for those who need to grab a camera and start shooting immediately for their adventures. Its durability is proven, being rugged, waterproof down to 20 meters, and capable of surviving temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius. The Action 6 promises to deliver the same level of extreme durability, ensuring it can keep up with any adventure. Battery life is also a critical point of comparison. The Action 5 Pro offers a solid 1,950 mAh battery, capable of up to 4 hours of 4K recording. Point 3, however, the Action 6 is rumored to deliver even longer recording times at even higher resolutions, ensuring you can capture uninterrupted action and fun. The choice ultimately comes down to this. Do you stick with the trusted and proven Action 5 Pro, or do you embrace the futuristic, cutting-edge Action 6, which promises potential game changers like 8K recording, advanced AI-powered stabilization, and enhanced smartwatch integration? Just as the community is buzzing about the Action 6, a whole new wave of excitement is building for another of DJI's most anticipated upcoming launches. Fresh leaks, supposedly coming straight from Shenzhen, are adding serious fuel to the hype surrounding the DJI Pocket 4. A new report reveals that DJI employees have been spotted in a local DJI store in China, actively testing the unreleased Osmo Pocket 4 side-by-side with the current Pocket 3. This isn't just a casual demo for staff. These tests look like a formal part of a pre-release evaluation program designed to fine-tune the camera's performance and stamp out bugs before its big reveal. These sightings are the latest in a long string of rumors that began months ago, with drone insider Igor Bogdanov at Quadra News on X leaking hints of an NDA and promotion material allegedly being filmed in Barcelona. Soon after those initial hints, leaked images began to circulate online, showing off what appeared to be the Pocket 4's final design. Then, on October 27, 2025, sources confirmed that the Pocket 4 had officially entered its production phase. This confirmation set the stage for an official announcement window, which insiders are pinning somewhere between December 2025 and January 2026. Now, this new Shenzhen leak gives us our clearest look yet at the upcoming camera in a real-world context. In the images, a DJI employee or possibly an external beta tester can be seen directly comparing the new Pocket 4 with the Pocket 3, capturing low-light test footage in a realistic urban setting. The goal of this test seems obvious: to stress test the upgraded camera sensor and the new gimbal stabilization capabilities in challenging, real-world environments, not just a control lab. Design-wise, the Pocket 4 looks sleeker and noticeably slimmer than the Pocket 3. It appears to be shedding the somewhat boxy profile of its predecessor for a more refined and ergonomic silhouette. According to the leaks, the new model is said to weigh only around 116 grams. This is a significant reduction, making it roughly 35% lighter than the Pocket 3's 179 grams, a difference that will be immediately noticeable and should make it much more comfortable for extended handheld shooting sessions. From what can be discerned from the image quality, DJI has also refined control layout beneath the screen, though the specific details remain a bit fuzzy. This redesign is significant when you consider the Pocket 3, which was known for its innovative rotatable screen and powerful 1-inch sensor gimbal head point. For those features gave it incredible power, but also contributed to its bulk. The new, streamlined frame of the Pocket 4 suggests DJI has completely re-engineered the device to optimize stability, comfort, and true portability, perhaps by shipping some components internally or utilizing a lighter, more efficient gimbal architecture. If this is true, DJI might finally have struck the perfect balance between pro-level capability and a true pocket-sized design. So what does all of this mean? The appearance of a finalized safety and battery document, which often precedes a launch, is no small event. It indicates that DJI has moved well past the conceptual and prototyping phases and is now deep into hardware testing, a stage that usually happens just a few months before a product officially hits the shelves. The dramatically reduced weight of the leaked model might represent a new strategy. This 116-gram version could be the base model, the heavier, more feature-rich Pro variant still to come, perhaps the one rumored to feature dual lenses and 8K video capabilities. Meanwhile, there are reports that DJI is actively clearing out its existing Pocket 3 inventory, with a recent price drop to $529, further hinting that the company is preparing its retail channels for the Pocket 4's imminent arrival. As for pricing, Insiders suggest the base Pocket 4 will debut somewhere between $699 and $799, with that possible Pro variant reaching as high as $899. Beyond the physical design, rumors point to a battery life extended to around 180 minutes, coupled with significant improvements to low-light performance and integrated audio systems. This entire package sends a clear message to rivals like Insta360, GoPro, and even smartphone giants like Vivo. DJI isn't stepping back from the compact camera race. So, while DJI itself remains officially silent on the Pocket 4, the leaks are speaking loud and clear. This isn't just a simple upgrade. It's a signal that DJI's next great leap in handheld innovation is already on the runway, preparing for takeoff. Something small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful is coming, and this time, it might just redefine what a pocket camera really means.